just like that.
Make more of your stuff that sounds
It's the brown for me.
chill.
And that's on who? Unemployment.
And that's on who? Unemployment.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. By the time of this video, you guys can tell I'm going to be doing a Sterly lace frontal wig review, plus showing you guys how I straighten my hair a little bit, not really fully. So if you guys are coming for a tutorial of how to straighten your hair, this video is not necessarily geared towards that, because you will notice that I don't fully flat iron my hair. It's just really briefly showing how I do it, but the sole purpose of this video is really to review the hair and show you guys and tell you guys about this lace frontal unit. So if you guys want to know the pros and the cons of this particular unit from Sterly Hair Company, stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we be lit together, period. Now let's get into the video. So originally when I filmed this video, I was actually going to be talking throughout the video and, you know, telling you guys about the hair that way. However, once I decided to edit the video, I realized that I just wanted to do a voiceover and just let you guys see how I was straightening my hair and just give details on the hair this way. So this unit in my head is the Sterly 13x4 lace front human hair wig, and this is 22 inches that I have. So this is a full unit. It does not come in bundles with this particular unit, but the company does have bundles that you can buy separately and create your own unit or do like a sew-in or whatever. But I decided to get this unit in all black, and I've had this unit for 5 to 6 months. And this is my second install, so I decided this time I wanted to try color out on it before I gave the review, just to see how the texture will hold up, which it did hold up very well, because the hair was extremely soft prior to that. So it still is soft, but not as soft, but that's to be expected. And yeah, we just did brown highlights, so I'm pretty sure if you use bleach or any other coloring method, you will get the same results. Like I said, this unit was a 22 inch. This unit only goes up to 26 inch. However, I feel like this unit did come much longer than 22. So if you are tall like me, or even if you're shorter, I feel like the length will be accurate for you. Or if you are shorter, it'll probably be a little longer on you. To say this unit is a frontal 22 inches and it's only $100, it really has good quality. I can definitely say if you have a darker complexion like me, I would recommend this, because as you can see, the lace looks really good on my head or my complexion compared to like the HD and transparent lace for me. So if you do have the issue where sometimes the lace will come out looking a little lighter or like white or something, I would recommend going with this unit, because it's a Swiss lace, so it works good with like tinting or using makeup or whatever you use. So the only con I have about this hair is I was hoping with the brown highlights I would be able to curl it, and I know sometimes with straight units you don't get the best curls. However, this unit really does not curl at all. So I mean, like, it does curl, but it does not hold the curl. I've tried to flexi rod this hair and I've put the flexi rod in overnight. However, they still drop quickly. When I got the brown highlights, I did have her attempt to curl it, but the curls dropped before I could even take pictures. So I would definitely say this is a straight unit. So if you're looking to curl your hair, it's more than likely not going to curl for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go purchase you guys a wig from Sterly Hair Company. Before you leave this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we be lit together. Period. And I'll see you guys in my next video.